Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Python Nerd. In this particular channel, try to learn the nuances related to Python, whether you're just a beginner or at the intermediate level or at the advanced level. These particular nuances that we are going to discuss in this channel will surely help you out. So whether you're working as a web developer or as a data analyst or a data scientist or a data engineer, whatever nuances that we are gonna see in this particular channel, that will surely help you out. So this is the first video of this particular so in this particular one we'll just see how to install Python in your Windows system. Similar steps you have to follow when it comes to installing the Python in Mac or Linux as well. However, we are just gonna see here how to install Python in Windows. So before we see how to install it, this particular channel will try to have a different playlist as part of this channel. So there will be playlists related to data analytics or data engineering or data science, and there will be a playlist around web designing and all. So there might be a playlist as well to touch base upon the generic things that are quite commonly used or tried in Python. So before any further ado, let's jump on to the demo where we'll see how to install Python on Windows. So before installing Python, we'll just see the configuration of this particular Windows system. So this is the Windows 10 that I have in my system. The RAM for this particular laptop is of 8 GB. It's a 64-bit OS basically. Okay, so we are basically gonna have our Python install on Windows 10. So now I'm just going to Google Chrome. Okay, we have to just type python.org. so this is the particular place you have to go. From this particular one we'll be downloading Python. Once you go to python.org, you just go click on downloads. So here you'll be provided with the latest version that is available for installation. So here we have the options whether you want it for Windows, Linux, Mac and other. So for us it will be Windows. Okay, and if you want a older version for Python, in that particular case you just need to scroll down, and here you'll be getting the past releases as well. So these are the ones. So we have 3.11.1, 3.10.9, 3.9. Okay, I would suggest not to go actually with the latest version that is available all the time, because if if that particular version still has any bug fixes to be done, in that particular case it's not advisable to go for the latest one all the time. You always have to go for the version which is quite stable. So in this particular case, rather than going for 3.11.1, we'll just try to install Python 3.10.9 in our Windows system. So that's why I'll click on download button for this one. Okay, and since our OS is a 64-bit one, we are gonna install that one. So here as you can see, the Python 3.10.9 has started for downloading. So we'll just wait for it to be downloaded. As you can see, it has downloaded successfully. So let me just double click on it. Yep, so this is the pop-up. Once you click on the executable file, this is the pop-up that you'll be getting. Here you can go with a customized installation option if you want to install your Python at a particular place, or any other different customization you have to do from your end. However, for this exercise we'll go with the install one. I'm okay to install at this particular path. However, you just need to make sure that you are ticking on this particular option, so add python.exe. So what this particular option does, we'll see once we install the Python. So I just tick on this particular one and I'm just clicking this one. It's taking a bit more time, so we'll just wait, let it get finished. Yeah, so as you can see, it says setup was successful. So that means we have successfully installed Python. Now I told you, right, we have ticked on that particular option where it says that will be added to the path. So what does that basically mean? In that particular case, to validate that one, you just need to go to the environment variable. Since I install this particular Python on an account level, I have to go and check under the environment, edit environment variable for your account. If you are actually have done this on a global level, in that particular case, global level as in for all the profiles, then you have to go and click on edit the system environment variables. But in our case, since we have done it on a profile level, I'll just select this option, edit environment variables for your account. Okay. Here I'll just see the path. As you can see, 3.10, this particular Python 3, this particular path have been added as an environment variable. So this is something we have discussed earlier. Okay, so now since we have installed Python, we just need to validate whether it's available or not. So for validating that one, what we'll do, we'll go to command prompt. Okay, we'll just see whether Python is installed or not. To check the version on a command prompt, you just have to type python space -- version. So as you can see, it says Python 3.10.9. So that's a clear indication that Python 3.10 has been successfully installed, and it's you can run these particular Python scripts from your command prompt as well. So from terminal, if you want to go to the Python editor, you just need to type Python. That's it. Now we are under the Python editor. Here you have to write your own code and see. Yeah, so this is how we have installed Python in our Windows system. The similar process you have to follow if you want to install it on other platforms like Mac and Linux as well. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Thank you.